To get the best Raman data from our samples, we often need to use different laser wavelengths. This can help us to avoid fluorescent backgrounds in our data. We can also control the range and resolution of our Raman spectra by using different diffraction gratings. Let's see how the inVia Raman microscope can make moving between these different configurations both simple and fast. When changing parameters, we need to be sure that we're getting the best performance. The inVia Raman microscope uses the latest Renishaw encoder technology. This ensures that optics are moved to precisely the right position, meaning that laser changing is fast and fully automated. With just a single click, we can change the laser wavelength without affecting performance. We also need to control the spectral range and resolution. Again, we have complete automation of this. The key optical elements, such as lenses and gratings, are moved in parallel to precisely the right positions. This means that your data is consistent and fully optimized every time. We can benefit from this automation by queuing measurements using different lasers and gratings, allowing the equipment to do the work whilst unattended. This all makes the inVia Raman microscope quick and easy to use, giving great results again and again.